So today we are going to be installing some cheap Chinese flush mount lights in the rear of my 2006 Mega Cab. Wanted to go with something like rigid, but just kind of justify paying over $200 for some lights that I just need some help backing up. So these got pretty decent reviews on Amazon. Anyway, they come with a little, where did I leave it? Cardboard template. And you can see I've already laid out one there, laid out one here, and we're in the process of pre-drilling the corners here. I like to use, starting out, some number 10 hex heads, self-tappers. They're sharp, work better than a drill bit. Get it started. Then I'll move up to, some people call them a unibit, Christmas tree bit, step up, step down bit, whatever you want. And drill out the corners just up to the line, so that way when I make my cut with the grinder, get a nice rounded corner. Everything's nice and smooth. And we'll be back. So I made my first hole. As you can see, it's right on the corner of my layout. So that way when I come through here with the grinder just stop here. And I'm not trying to make a corner, a little tight corner with a big old grinder wheel. So, one down, 7 more to go. Now it's come out. Alright, there's one mounted up. Snug, it's in there. Clean up the edges a little bit, but it's nice and snug. And I just gotta drill the 4 holes, bolt it, wire it up, do the other side, test them out. Not bad, not bad. Brighter than the old regular reverse lights. It's almost like you got headlights pointing back at you. Wouldn't want to tailgate me too much.